Everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. I have a great pick for you this week. It all revolves around what we're seeing happening with Hurricane Ida. I'm going to get right into it in a sec, but as always, you know the drill. Make the guy in marketing's day. Like, click, subscribe, and if you want to, put comments in this section below. Tell me what you want to hear in future episodes. Tell Karim what a great guy he looks online. We will take your comments, and if we like them, we will incorporate them into a future Trade Talk Tuesday episode. All right, as for today's pick, Hurricane Ida. You've seen it all over the news. It's a major market-moving event. People are calling it like the beast of the bayou. As of yesterday, all of New Orleans was out of power. I mean, it's just catastrophic damage. You've seen it all on the news. Now, when you take an event like this and you apply it to Wall Street, right, what you typically see is that like extensive hurricane damage is typically a really strong upside trigger catalyst for hardware retailers. You know, the Home Depots of the world, the Lowe's of the world, and you know, that even kind of carries over into Costco and Target because, you know, when you have destruction, when you have like such damage, the first thing you do is go to, you know, your hardware store and start getting the materials that you need to rebuild. So it's a big upside trigger catalyst for hardware retailers. But today, we're going to take that a step further, and I'm going to let you know about a lesser known play that I really like right now. And the company is called Louisiana Pacific. The ticker symbol is LPX. What these guys do is they're a building products company. So things like siding, trim, fencing, sheds, concrete, and framing materials, right? These are the guys that produce all of that, and that's going to be the first thing that's needed as Hurricane Ida continues up in that, you know, that cone that the weatherman shows you. Now, what I really like about the Louisiana Pacific chart right now is that, here, let's pull it up, I'll show you. They're forming what I love to play, which is a W formation. So you can see the W, I kind of outlined it here. We have a confirmed W right now off the 60-65 level, and I think now the completion of that W is going to take LPX back up to 70, 72, and above. So the time to buy Louisiana Pacific is now. Ticker symbol, again, is LPX. I really like it here, and that's your Trade Talk Tuesday pick for today. Now, important point, going forward, if you want to get all of my best picks with both entry and exit, we're running this special deal, 5 picks for $5. It's a 5 for 5 deal. If you want to get that, click this link below. It's only $5. You've seen all of the winners that we've had in the past. Start hitting those more consistently with both entry and exit. You get that with Trader Today Plus for $5. On that note, have a great week. I'm Brian, and as always, cue my exit music.